Okay, today we're going to go ahead and talk again about time, and we're going to continue to use our standard units of measurement for time, which are seconds, minutes, and hours. And specifically today we're going to be discussing elapsed time. And what elapsed time means is when something starts, or the starting time, until the end time. Okay, so today let me go ahead and read this question that we're going to go ahead and do. Now, the question says, Sebastian's birthday party is today. He cannot wait any longer for the party to begin. It is 12:30 p.m. right now, and the party begins at 4 p.m. How much more time does he have to wait until it begins? So first of all, what we want to do is we want to go in there and we want to see what the question is asking us. So we want to use our strategies and go ahead and underline what the question is asking us. Okay, so looking back, what is the question asking? It says, how much more time does he have to wait until it begins? Okay, and what time are we going to be using? Yes, 12:30 is our starting time, because that's what time it is right now. And 4 p.m. is our ending time. That is the time that the party starts. So let's go ahead and begin with using the first method that we can use when we do elapsed time, and that is the 60 approach. So with 12:30 as the beginning time, what we want to do with our 60 approach is we want to round, or we want to change that 30 to make it 60 to get the hour, for it to be the additional hour, because 60 seconds equals 1 minute. So if we're going to go ahead and do, we're going to end up doing 30 minutes to get to 60, because we already have 30 right here. So if we do that with our time, of course, this is going to be 60, but with time, this 60 minutes is going to equal 1 hour. So with this, we're going to go ahead and change this 12. It's going to go up because we're adding this to the 12, which will make it 1 p.m. So it's like we're regrouping, just like what we do traditionally with our addition or subtraction. We regroup the numbers. Okay, so this is 1 o'clock. Now, our ending time is 4 p.m. So how many hours does it take for us to get from 1 to 4? Well, let's go ahead and write this. The next hour is 2 p.m., then it's 3 p.m., and then 4. So it takes us 1, 2, 3 hours to get to 4 p.m. So 3 hours. And remember, we need to add that 30 minutes back right here, since we regroup this to make it 1 hour. So we're going to add that 30 minutes to 3 hours, and it'll be 3 hours and 30 minutes until the party begins. Okay, so this is one method that we can use when we're doing time to do the 60 approach. I'm going to show another method that you can use, and that's with by using a number line, which is, we use that pretty much all the time as well. Okay, so with the number line, we're also going to use it to do the make 60 approach. Okay, so let's go ahead and do the number line here. Now our beginning time, what is our beginning time? Yes, it's 12:30. 12:30 p.m. is our beginning time. And then what is our ending time? Yes, 4 p.m. Now we want to do the same thing with to make the 60. So with this, from this 12:30, we want to go ahead and do 1 o'clock to make it an even number. So from here to here is 30 minutes. Then what's after 1? 2. So 2 o'clock. Then after 2 is 3 o'clock. How many jumps are we going to do? Now, let's begin with the 1. So it's 1 jump, 2 jumps, 3 jumps to get us to 4 o'clock. So it's 30 minutes plus 3 hours. And what is our elapsed time going to be? It'll be scratch that. It's 3 hours plus 30 minutes. Got you with my spelling today and my N. So how many hours, or what is the time that he has to wait until